Hello, beautiful family. On the menu today is no eggs, vegetable fried rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
You are all invited. Join me in Birmingham. If you have a visa, try and come over. Hey, when you have a good photographer. Yes. Hey. Oh God. Why not a fatty? I can't find. Sifiada mane usuama. Enka kwesiada sore suniwa. Eni onyamwa eni abakosamno. Yana enyi nyina so. Enso kitwa nyamensa wo muno. Eyeche dodo abunsa mashira so. Enti koswa na koso. Eni daso mobia. Koswa na koso. Unyamebe. Akuko there na twasa amna so wedi. This chicken ready for consumption.
Ready for consumption.
Is going into the fridge for a while because it's being marinated. Look at that. Look at the chicken's ass. Yeah, and it's oh God. Happy yourself? I hear when you dementia. Okay, home. Okay, home. I mean, could be cried, but you could be Barbara when you could cry on Kukuru, have a okay home. When you dementia, yeah. Look at touch you.
So I'm sure my friend who has now become my sister made you laugh. So this was day 3 of her visit. She spent some days with me, okay? So the third day, this is the shenanigans she did. Liberia.
Before the enemy starts to laugh at us.
Morocco rabbit. I decided to try the Remy fried rice seasoning. Okay, someone recommended it. Not bad, but my favorite is the Remy chicken spices. Don't use too much. What temperature?
Smells nice.
Go ahead and add any vegetables of your choice. Please make sure that you are frying everything on high heat, okay? Medium to high heat. It shouldn't be low, shouldn't be medium. You don't want them to be mushy. And I ain't gonna that. You want them to maintain their crunch. So on a medium to high heat, right? Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stop skipping. Please don't skip what I checked on the chicken. It was doing so well. This is my leftover rice that was in the fridge. Please note that if you'll be using the dark soy sauce from Asda, please, it's very light, so I would advise that you use that when you cooking your rice. You get what I mean? So you wash your rice nicely and you add the soy sauce, okay? Because if you choose to do it how I did it, I mean, you're gonna see it, you tend to fry your fried rice for too long because it's so watery. So you tend to fry it for too long just so all the moisture evaporates. I mean, not all, but you know, you get it. And please, I would advise that you cook it with your rice if you are using the Asda brand. I also added a teaspoon of sesame oil. Don't add too much, okay? We don't want it to overpower all our other ingredients. It was a for papa. Lastly, I added my bell peppers and scallions. You all know how much I love my vegetables. Aha. So this is our no egg, no protein. And I'm a vegetable fried rice. Until we enamubia and kahun. Kusiabia and kahun. So if you are intolerant, I damn it for yee me come on say. I'm a hype me home. Okay? Hey, it is a wood Nikos, yeah, and I say, yeah, I sir. Let's just say, more way. Come on. What I say? Yes, we did not use any meat or beef stock. Yeah, it's solely vegetables. Please be mindful of the seasonings that you use, okay? I used the chicken one and the fried rice one. Any seasoning you use, please check the ingredients.
Today we're eating fried rice with vegetables and chicken. We will gladly receive you, and we are waiting for you. Thank you. To be continued.